Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about how to add pictures to TikTok video. But before moving forward, first make sure that you have liked the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First open your TikTok app. Now first, I'm gonna make a random video to show you that how you can add a picture to that video. So tap on the plus icon given at the bottom bar. Tap and hold the button to make a video. Now once you're done making video, you will get these options at the right corner of your screen. Select the effects option. Now among the effects option, go to green screening and select the first option. You can choose any other option if you want or that suits you better. And now you can see that you have got the option to upload or take a picture. Upload the picture, adjust the picture, and then tap on red tick given at bottom left corner of your screen. And then you're all set to post your video with a picture. So everyone, these are the simple steps that you need to follow in order to add picture in your video. Just make a video and then go to the effects option and then select green screening. That's all. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.